How to add a date of birth on Telegram. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with new video, and on today's video we will see how we can add a date of birth on Telegram. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, launch the Telegram application in your mobile device. After that, make sure that you're logged in with your Telegram account. Once you're on your chat page, now navigate to the top left corner and tap on three-line icon. A menu bar will pop up in your interface. From here, tap on the first option, that is My Profile. That's gonna take you to your profile page. From here, again, navigate to top right corner and tap on the pencil icon. Now, under Profile Info, there at the very end is a section that says your birthday. So tap on Add Next to Date of Birth. So from here, you can select your date of birth that you would like to add on Telegram. Once you're done, tap on Save. And with that, your date of birth is now added on your Telegram account. So that is the way to add date of birth on Telegram, and that's all for today's video. If you're new to our channel, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more upcoming videos.